In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can access the tasks that you have made in Google Calendar right on your Chromebook. So you don't have to manually type the Google Calendar URL or launch the Google Calendar app just to see the tasks that you have to do today, tomorrow, or maybe next week. Because in Chromebook, it's very easy to access those info, those lists of items that you need to finish. So if you look at the bottom right corner of the screen, there is a clock, but next to it, there is a date of today. You can click on it to reveal the date, and at the top, you will see the task that you might need to do on that day. Today is 28 December 2024, and there is a task that says prepare New Year's Eve party. So that was a task for today, and you can of course see the task for other days. You can click on any date and you will see more details about the task that you might have to do. But if you don't have any task, then it's not going to show any task at all on that date. And of course, you have the option to actually see the holiday, like you can see the info on Christmas Day, the Boxing Day, the Christmas Eve, etc. So I think it's very useful. And of course, you have access to Google Calendar. You can click open in Google Calendar and you can see all the details that you can insert for that day. So I think this is a great integration between Google Calendars and Chromebook. So I think it's very helpful to keep your stuff to be scheduled and organized. So that's exactly how you can access tasks right on your Chromebook screen. I hope you find this tutorial video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Take care.